everyone, and thank you for joining Next Gen Tips and Tricks. My name is Amel. I'm one of the EMR trainers here at Venice Family Clinic, and today we'll be introducing my phrases: creating, inserting, updating, and removing. First, create a my phrase. Start by clicking on my phrase hyperlink. You can find my phrases in HP on AP details, telephone communication. Select my phrase type. Select from the picket list. Add a my phrase summary. Add a small description to your my phrase. Type in my phrase. And finally, create my phrase. Once you select create my phrase, your my phrase will be added to your manage my phrase pick list. Remember to check off list all phrases type to view the entire my phrase pick list. Inserting a my phrase. One, start by clicking on my phrase under the HPI AP details or anywhere you can find a my phrase hyperlink. Make sure you have list all phrases type checked off. Select the my phrase you want to insert. Click on insert and close. Your my phrase will now show in the desired field. If you check off add phrase on one click, it will automatically add your my phrase to the desired field once you select from the list of all phrases. Also, it will close my phrase window after selecting. Updating and removing my phrases. So for updating a my phrase, start by checking off list, all phrases type. Select the my phrase you want to update. Add remove to your my phrase and update my phrase. You can also remove or delete a my phrase. Check off list, all phrases type. Select the my phrase you want to remove or delete and then press delete. It's also important to note that next to the list, all phrases type, there is a box where you're able to check off where it lets you view all the phrases you have deleted. So for example, if by any chance you delete it or remove it accidentally, you could always go back to that box and you could always recover what you removed and deleted from the my phrase list. Any questions, always feel free to reach out to EMR Trainer's email at med@ucla.edu, and also contact us via EMR Trainer extensions, Rose 7736, Sims 7734, Levine 7965, and Children's 7431. So I'm just going to go and demonstrate now on how to add a my phrase or insert a my phrase. So for instance, you will start by adding an HPI. So I'm currently using intake, but anywhere a my phrase hyperlink is found, you can go ahead and use your my phrases. So just select by my phrase. And then either, as you can see, I have this checked off. I'll go ahead and uncheck it. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this one. So all the lists or all my phrases will then be demonstrated on the window. And then from here, I could just select the ones that I want to go ahead and add. And then once I'm done, I go ahead and say insert and close. And then here you are. And then once you insert, just save and close. You can also create a new my phrase. So again, say for instance, you want to make sure you clear this field, and then you go here, and then you could say, for example, here, and then you could give it a quick nickname. You can also always create my phrase. So it will show up here, and then if you click it as well there, it's going to be in the all list. So once you're ready, it's there, and then insert, and it will